Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can use crypto.com. So in order to use crypto.com, first thing first, you'll have to create an account. So in order to create an account, you'll need to install the application from your respective Play Store, and then you need to create an account by entering your credential, verifying your documents and all sort of things. So in order to secure your account, you'll need to add an extra layer of protection. For that, you need to create a passcode. So make sure to go through it and create a passcode. And once you're done enabling the passcode and all sort of things, it's going to direct you to the home page, and that is going to look something like this. So first thing first, let me show you how you can actually buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency on crypto.com. So in order to buy cryptocurrency, first of all, you need to tap the buy button located in the top right hand side corner. After you tap the buy button, next page you'll be asked to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So select the cryptocurrency or an asset that you wish to buy. Enter the exact amount of Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. Next page, you need to go ahead and add a payment method as well. Unless and until if you don't have a funding source, then you'll not be able to buy Bitcoins or cryptocurrency on crypto.com. So go through it all and then confirm all of your information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then tap the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully bought cryptos on crypto.com. And similarly, if you want to sell a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, then you'll need to make sure that you already have enough coins. Only then you'll be able to sell. So basically, you'll have to head over to your home page once again and tap the sell button. On the other page, you'll be asked to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So make sure to select the coins that you have, and then next page, enter the exact amount of cryptos that you wish to sell, and you also need to enter the desired location where you actually want to sell. Once done, confirm all of the information that you've provided, and then you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully sold Bitcoins or cryptocurrency, and then the amount will be added to your crypto balance. So in order to withdraw money, you'll have to sell cryptocurrency first of all, and you also have to set up a fiat wallet. So basically, you'll have to select the crypto that you wish to sell, and after that, you need to select fiat wallet, and then you can transfer the amount into your bank account. After you've done that, next page you'll be asked to add a desired location where you actually want to transfer the funds. And as soon as you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully added the funds or transferred the funds to another wallet. So these were some of the basic guides on how you can use crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.